Hello everyone, this is Rajshree from Computer Science and Engineering, 8th semester. I have been a former student of Surendra IT Solutions, as sir already told you, SiS. And it's been, so let me first talk about my experience and then I'll go to whatever I have learned and whatnot. So firstly I would tell you about how did I cope up and how my direction began. Since I was an initial student, so everything was very blank for me because I only knew after coming to college that I have to clear the graduation part. Nothing about the IT field and what actually the work goes on and how does people do it. So meeting with sir the first meeting with sir was a really great experience. He told me everything. He told me what and how in which structure the IT industry works, and that was really helpful for me. It gave me a very great direction in which I have to proceed. So I decided I would go on with sir. So finally, I started the classes with him, and really, the way of teaching, the way he teaches, it's really brilliant. You can see the code, you can directly type, you can see the code, you can execute it, and finally see the output whatever is written. So there is no such kind of theory. You can just realize how the concepts are really being executed. So it was very great for me because Java from core to advanced I've learned from him, and sir has been a really great teacher in my journey. So really, I mean, I was able to like relate a real world entity with whatever concepts I have learned. So that was a really brilliant idea and on the way of teaching. And he also let us meet some of the students which have already passed who are already passed out from learning from him, and that was a really great meetup with them. Now, secondly, I would like to tell you that I got an internship from Wipro, and since I was the student when I was a student when I was in my second years, the complete second year I studied with him. Though it took some time, but being sincere to him, it's really going to help. So finally I completed my training with him, and just after that I got internship at Wipro, and that was very good experience working there, because whatever concepts I have learned, it was helpful there also. The projects, the work they used to give us, they were more or less related to it only. Also, during my interviews, they asked me some concepts of Java also, and about my project which I have done. Now, finally, I would like to tell you, since I was not that satisfied with Wipro, so I tried for some placements, and finally I got one, that is in Samsung R&D Bangalore. And the till now, since I have not joined yet, so the interview experience I'm telling you, they asked me about the projects firstly which I have done. They are like I explain in a proper structural manner, and everything went great because first I explained them architecture as sir told, as sir guided us. So I told in that manner only. Like, first I drew the architecture, then I started to explain the technology and how did I implement those concepts, like that, whatever problem I've got, everything. So it was very clear, point to point. And then he asked me certain concepts which were related to Java, and not only Java, everything like data structure, whatever, in whichever language you find it comfortable. So that went really great. It was a very smooth interview with 3 rounds. So I'm completely satisfied with whatever I've learned, and this was really an awesome journey working with and learning with sir. So I would really want to thank sir for letting me to be a student of him, and teaching me all these whatever I have learned, in whatever valuables I have got in my college life. So thank you so much, sir. And one tip for you: be sincere to whatever sir has told you, and be sincere to your work, be punctual to your work, as well as have faith in sir. He'll surely going to do great for you. and also in return he wants a grade from you too. So be sincere to sir, and be faithful to him. That's my tip. Thank you so much.